To redeem your Sam's Club membership, start by visiting the Sam's Club website or going to a local Sam's Club store. If you are purchasing a membership online, you will receive an email with a confirmation number and a link to print out a temporary membership card. If you are purchasing in store, the staff will provide you with a membership card and a packet of information. Make sure to review the packet as it contains important details about your membership, including benefits and discounts. Next, activate your membership by creating an online account on the Sam's Club website. To do this, click on the Sign In button and then select Create an Account. You will need to provide your membership number, email address, and a password. Once your account is set up, you can start using your membership to make purchases online or in store. You can also use the Sam's Club app to shop, track your orders, and access exclusive discounts. To get the most out of your membership, take advantage of the many benefits and discounts that Sam's Club offers, including discounts on groceries, electronics, and tires. You can also use your membership to save on travel, insurance, and other services. Finally, be sure to keep your membership information up to date, including your contact information and payment details. This will ensure that you continue to receive all the benefits of your membership and that you are notified of any special promotions or discounts. By following these steps and taking advantage of the many benefits and discounts that Sam's Club offers, you can get the most out of your membership and save money on the things you need.